Good day, our audience. Good day, our members, subscribers. Have a nice time. Today, I would like to show you how we solve this problem. It looks like too simple problem, but it is not so, because in dividing it has some problems. That's why I'd like to show you its solution. Okay, let's go. So the result is 46.02. We have solved it. So by using decimals, the rules of decimals and the rules of fractions. So it was so interesting lesson, so interesting problem. I hope you liked it and you understood this problem. See you soon. Bye bye.